Imagine transforming a handful of glowing text reviews into 50 unique, high-converting video testimonials, all while you sleep. Before, this would take days of filming, editing, and hiring actors, costing hundreds or thousands of dollars. Now you can achieve this in just minutes for free, using a simple AI workflow. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps to turn customer feedback into powerful video marketing assets that drive sales.
The secret lies in multimodal AI, combining different AI capabilities like language understanding, voice generation, and video creation. This isn't just a trend, it's a practical, monetization-friendly strategy. Active viewer interest around AI topics like best AI tools this week shows how valuable these workflows are.
This workflow focuses on achieving one concrete outcome: generating compelling video testimonials from existing text reviews. We'll use 3 powerful, yet accessible, AI tools. Let's break down the steps.
Our first step is to extract the core sentiment and key phrases from your customer reviews. This is where an advanced language model shines. Meet Inkling, an open-weights model that excels at deep technical comprehension and nuanced text analysis.
Inkling's strength lies in its ability to go beyond simple keyword spotting. It can understand the underlying sentiment and identify the most impactful statements, even from complex reviews. This is crucial for crafting testimonials that genuinely resonate. Before, you'd manually read through hundreds of reviews, highlighting key phrases, a process that could take hours. With Inkling, this is reduced to minutes.
To use Inkling, you'll feed it your customer reviews. You can simply copy and paste them, or feed it a document. Ask it to extract the 3 most impactful positive statements about your product/service, and summarize them concisely. It will then provide you with clean, powerful snippets ready for the next stage.
Our second tool is ElevenLabs, the industry leader in realistic voice generation. Once you have your polished review snippets from Inkling, ElevenLabs will bring them to life with natural, expressive voices.
ElevenLabs offers an incredible range of voices, languages, and even emotional control. You can choose a voice that perfectly matches the tone of your brand. Before, getting a professional voiceover meant hiring a voice actor for hundreds of dollars per hour. With ElevenLabs' freemium model, you can generate high-quality audio for free or a low monthly cost. The quality is so good, it's virtually indistinguishable from a human voice.
Simply paste the text snippets from Inkling into ElevenLabs, select your desired voice, and hit generate. You'll get an audio file in seconds. Pro tip: experiment with different voices and speaking styles to see which one best captures the essence of the review.
Finally, we bring it all together with RunwayML, an AI-powered video editing and generation platform. This is where your voiceovers become actual video testimonials.
RunwayML offers incredible capabilities, from text to video generation to powerful video editing features. You can upload your ElevenLabs audio, then either use RunwayML's generative AI to create visuals based on the text, or combine the audio with relevant stock footage. Before, this step required complex video editing software and skills. Now, RunwayML simplifies it significantly, allowing even beginners to create professional videos.
Upload your ElevenLabs audio track to RunwayML. Then you have 2 options. Either use its text-to-video feature with a prompt describing the testimonial's theme, or import relevant stock video clips from Pexels or similar sites. Synchronize the audio with your chosen visuals, add simple text overlays of the original review, and export. You've just created a video testimonial in minutes.
This workflow is a game changer for solopreneurs, marketers, and small businesses. It saves countless hours and eliminates the high costs associated with traditional video production. The ability to transform static text into dynamic video content is a powerful competitive advantage.
Here's the before and after. Before, creating one video testimonial could take 8 hours of manual work and cost hundreds. After, this AI workflow lets you produce dozens in under an hour, for free or a minimal subscription. This dramatically increases your capacity to leverage customer feedback.
Inkling is excellent for its deep sentiment extraction, especially for complex reviews. ElevenLabs is the clear winner for voice quality and ease of use. And RunwayML provides a comprehensive platform to bring your video vision to life.
The combination of these tools highlights a key trend. Open-source AI models like Inkling are gaining significant traction, with discussions on Hacker News about their impact. This access to powerful free models democratizes advanced AI capabilities.
Remember, transforming static text reviews into dynamic video testimonials with AI can boost your conversion rates significantly with minimal effort.
Let's dive a bit deeper into Inkling. To get started, you'll typically interact with Inkling through an API or a local installation, given its open-weights nature. For beginners, a great way to experiment is through a hosted platform that offers access to Inkling, or by using a local setup with a user-friendly interface like a Jupyter notebook. First, load your customer reviews into a text file or directly into your chosen environment. For example, if you have 50 reviews in a CSV, you'd iterate through each one. Next, craft your prompt carefully. Instead of just summarize, try something like, analyze the following customer review and identify the single most compelling positive statement about your product name, focusing on benefits or unique features. Extract this statement verbatim, and then provide a one-sentence explanation of why it's impactful. This detailed prompting helps Inkling deliver precisely what you need for a powerful testimonial snippet.
Moving on to ElevenLabs for voice generation, let's go beyond just pasting text. Once you're on the ElevenLabs platform, navigate to the Speech Synthesis tab. You'll see options for voice settings. This is where you can truly fine-tune your audio. Instead of sticking with the default, try adjusting parameters like stability and clarity plus similarity enhancement. For a testimonial that sounds natural and heartfelt, you might want to slightly lower stability to allow for more natural vocal fluctuations, and increase clarity to ensure every word is crisp. Also, explore the speaker library to find a voice that not only sounds good but also aligns with your brand's persona. Perhaps a warm, inviting voice for a family product, or a confident, authoritative voice for a B2B service. Don't forget to preview your audio before generating the final version to catch any nuances.
Now for RunwayML, let's explore some advanced techniques for visual creation. After uploading your ElevenLabs audio, if you're using the text-to-video feature, your prompt is paramount. Instead of a generic prompt like person talking about product, try to be highly descriptive. For example, a diverse group of happy customers interacting with your product name. In a bright, modern setting, with subtle animations highlighting key features, the camera slowly pans across smiling faces, creating a sense of community and satisfaction. You can also specify visual styles like cinematic, warm lighting, soft focus. If you're opting for stock footage, use RunwayML's intuitive editing timeline. Drag and drop your audio track, then layer relevant video clips. Utilize RunwayML's built-in transitions and text overlay tools to add the original review text as a lower third. Experiment with different background music tracks, often available within RunwayML or from royalty-free libraries, to enhance the emotional impact. Finally, before exporting, use RunwayML's color grading tools to ensure visual consistency across all your clips.
This workflow empowers you to create authentic, high-impact marketing content at scale. Stop leaving money on the table. Start turning those reviews into compelling video proof. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tool deep dives and productivity hacks. What AI workflows should we cover next?